Good day, viewers. I'm by name Engineer Crypto, well known as Crypto J Block. I want to quickly take you on how you can pay your PH order in mmmglobal.io. So many people have been complaining about this. I want to quickly run a short tutorial on it. To pay, you can see my order has been matched. I have 29 hours left. First thing you do is you click on details. To take you to the details of it. You can see this is the Bitcoin wallet. What you just do here is you copy out the Bitcoin wallet. You copy it, Ctrl C, highlight it, and look at the amount EPH 0.0285. that is the amount I PH. So I'm going to pay the order right now. Copy the Bitcoin wallet address. Then I will go to the blockchain. I already log in my blockchain site, like I said in my previous videos. Then I click on send, because I want to send 0.0825 BTC to the recipient. Then I paste this. I paste the Bitcoin. You can see I've paste the Bitcoin wallet address. Then the amount, you go back again and check to be very sure. Okay, I paid 0.0285. You just come there. This time I don't type in dollar, you type in Bitcoin and BTC value. That is, I paid 0.0285 BTC. You can see it. So automatically the value I paid in dollar is 201. You are less concerned with this value. This is the value you are concerned with in mmmglobal.io. So you should be very sure. Don't underpay. Pay the actual amount. You can see my transaction fee is 0.11. You can see it. Good. So now we'll just click on continue. It is irreversible. You should be aware of it. Then I click on it. You can see it's telling me now that this is the amount I'm transferring, added together with the value of the transaction fee is already written there. You can see it. So I'll click on send Bitcoin. This is a one-time transaction. It is not reversible. So you have to be very sure of the transaction. Now I've done this. I will just come here and click on the transaction, the cents, because I need to screenshot my payment proof. It's very, very, very important. The payment proof. Click on it. Oh, sorry. Let's come here and click on it. Okay. In situation like this, you can actually screenshot this. But what I tell people is you go to the blockchain site to get your hash tag. Call it the hashtag. You go there to get it. Let me click on this place to take me there. You can see the arrow where I clicked on. Now this is it. It is yet to be confirmed, but it doesn't mean. All they want is to be sure that you transfer this actual amount is 0.0285 BTC. So now I will do what? I will screenshot this arena, this area here. If I'm using a laptop, I will have to screenshot with the screenshot this. Control. And then I'm going to the next stage to upload. Profit. I screenshot it. You can screenshot it. I'm using a laptop. That's why I'm trying to use this method. Yeah. Trying to crop. I'll click on Ctrl. I want to go and save it to my JPEG format. And I will just save my proof of payment. Payment proof. Let me save it to my desktop. Now I've saved it to my desktop, so I'll go back to my browser. I'll go back to my browser. Remember, go back to my browser, and you can also copy out the hash ID. You can see this, the hash ID, and at times you can copy out these from the browser. Ctrl+C. Then you come here, then you scroll down. At times when you upload, you may not see this "I complete payment" here. At times it used to happen like that. You will just if you do not see this "I complete payment" here, just click on this, close it, then come back and click on this play icon. You still see the complete payment. You can see it. So that is the complete payment. So most people have difficulties and challenges in that aspect. So I'm going to upload right now. So the hash ID I copied, my hashtag from my browser, see I pasted there. It's not actually important or copy, you paste this there, but most times it's necessary, but not that important. The major thing is for you to make sure you upload your payment proof here. You can see this is it. Upload it here, click on browse file, then I'll go to my desktop. Search for payment proof. See it. So there's it here. So upload it now. You can see downloading is loading. Yes, we are going there. You can see it. Yes. So I'll wait for it to load until it appear on that page before clicking on next. So you have to be very, very careful when uploading. And you can see they say the maximum you can upload is 2 megabytes. So that's why I see it's why you saw me, I decided to crop it. Yeah. Do a screenshot with your device, your mobile device, you can use that. It's not must use your laptop. Then click on next. Click on next and wait to see. Then I scroll down again. Click on next the second time to finalize it. See it. So I'll wait for it. You can see now I've uploaded. Now look at this area showing half green. So once your order is confirmed, this place will be fully green. Now it's half green. So that is how you upload your payment proof in MMM. How to pay your order, how to upload. Thank you and God bless you. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and you can always follow me on Twitter, and also you can always chat me up on WhatsApp via 07068443378. You can always chat me through that line. You chat me, I'm not saying you should call me, you can always chat me through the line. So thank you. Bye for now.